What is going on, boys and girls? So Jeep has released the 2025 4xe Backcountry. It is a tech-focused Jeep Wrangler. We're going to get into it because if you're a Jeep enthusiast, this is the video for you. Let's get started. All right, boys and girls, so what is going on? Bringing you another video here, another quick auto tech review video. If you guys are rocking with the content, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. So the 2025 4xe Backcountry Jeep Wrangler is officially here. It is a tech-focused off-roader. We're going to get into it. We have the article here from Car and Drive. Again, we give credit where credit is due. We're going to read a little bit of the article. We're going to get into the features and everything that it brings to the table, because the 4xe, it's a little bit of a love and hate relationship. I have a really good buddy of mine who has a 4xe. He loves it. I've heard some people don't really like it much, but let's get into this vehicle because this is the Backcountry, and let's get into the article. It says the 2025 Jeep Wrangler 4xe Backcountry is a new limited edition trim that pretty much puts priority on standard tech and off-road feature. By the way, they are numbered, meaning they only made a certain amount of units. We're going to get into the MSRP. And it says, if you're just having a plug-in hybrid Jeep Wrangler wasn't high tech enough for your off-road excursion, Jeep is introducing a new limited edition Wrangler 4xe Backcountry trim that is meant to better serve the trail-loving techno people who love the technology and they back off-road. Now, remember, it is a plug-in hybrid. So it says the new Backcountry Wrangler, building on the upscale and comfort oriented from the plug-in hybrid, the 4xe Sahara trim, pretty much, which comes standards with leather upholstery, heated seats, and an available 12.3-inch touchscreen. The 4xe Backcountry up its techs while also adding new accessories for more capable off-road. This is a picture of the interior here. We see this huge infotainment, which I love from Dodge. Dodge is known for having these huge infotainments. Remember, the Dodge Ram has a huge one too. So as far as the tech goes, the 4xe Backcountry's new edition includes nine Alpine speakers, audio system, and the inclusion of a portable Jeep power box that can draw energy from the Backcountry's hybrid battery pack and be used to charge devices or power small appliances. That's a good one. If you're outdooring, if you're this camping type of person, you're gonna love that. I have a picture here. We're gonna look at a picture here of top of the hood, which is so cool. It's got these like crazy off-road graphics. It does come with 20-inch wheels wrapped in 275/55 R20. They're general grappers, all-terrain tires for supreme tractions on any surface pretty much. Now, again, when you get this Jeep with these tires, there's going to be a little bit of noise. These are the off-road, and they're 275/50/20s, meaning they're pretty big. And general grapper tends to be a little bit noisy, but that's just the off-road feel for it. So to help it look apart, its Backcountry decal on the hood, its fender and rear wing gate comes with a removable 3-piece body color hardtop. So the hardtop is removable. A towing package is also included, which adds 7 and 4-pin wire harness, auxiliary switches, and a receiver hitch. The Wrangler 4xe is a limited edition. This is where we get into numbers. There's only 5,800 units being made, and it has a retail of $66,000 to be exact. $66,185, which is $6,595 more than the 4xe Sahara. Well, it does come with some additional add-ons and good new technology. You have to wonder, or you have to think whether those 6,500 are matched with what is coming, meaning if it's worth the deal. If you want to hear about what an Alpine system sounds like echoing through a dense forest, now is your time to pretty much find out. Now, I think the 4xe, it's a good vehicle. The whole plug-in hybrid system, I'm a fan of hybrid. I'm not a huge fan of EV by itself. I think the plug-in hybrid does very well. So we're gonna get into some of the text, and it says, like the 4xe Sahara, the 4xe Backcountry features a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, which has a built-in navigation, and it hasn't changed. It's not any bigger. To encourage adventures, the infotainment system includes an off-road trail guides for 62 Jeep Badge of Honor trails, as well as an intriguing geocamping app. While some Jeep owners use their Wrangler to go off the grid, the 4xe Backcountries come on board with Wi-Fi if you aren't part of that camp. That's another thing that's pretty cool. We have a front picture of it here. Looks very limited. I mean, looks very normal. The hardtop is removable. You got your decals. I think it is a good car. I think it's great. It is a limited number of 5,800. So Jeep tends to hold their price pretty well. Jeeps with a few miles, used Jeeps, still hold their price. And if you have a limited unit of 5,800, which costs $65,000, that's actually pretty good. I think it's a good bang for your buck. So the Backcountry features the same plug-in hybrid as the 4xe Sahara, which it delivers 375 horsepower and 470 feet-pound of torque. Now, I think if you throw a winch in the front, that torque, it's going to be very good for you if you're out there off-roading and stuff like that. But I think if you throw a winch on it, it's going to make it a whole lot funner. And it doesn't lack horsepower. It does bring 375, so that's pretty good to get you up and going on all those adventures that you got going on. But anyways, boys and girls, the year's just starting. The automotive news is rolling out little by little. We are seeing now new trims and new things that are coming out. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler 4xe Backcountry is here. I think it's actually a pretty good Wrangler. I think it's by far one of my favorite ones, along, you know, the one that has the 392 engine. That's my loving one right now. I just can't even think of the name right now. But anyways, comes standard with the same infotainment. It does have a whole bunch of new features that you can get with it, including the Wi-Fi, the hybrid battery pack that can be used to charge devices and small appliances. This is pretty much your all go-to camping vehicle. Throw a little trailer in the back and then the camera, and then you might open yourself a YouTube channel and get some backcountry videos going on with your 4xe. Or if you're just a normal guy with your family that loves camping, this is the vehicle for you. Anyways, boys and girls, if you guys are rocking with the content, remember, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. I am out of here. We are on the road to 20,000 subscribers, and I'm counting on you guys. Let's get it.